Yes, I like texting. I think it is the best way to communicate because sometimes we cannot express our feelings face to face, so text messaging is the best method to convey the message to other people. Both are equally important, so I don't have any specific preference. Whenever I don't have time to speak with someone or don't want to talk, then I prefer to send messages. On the other hand, I receive a reply and any official text messages also. Yes, sometimes I face problems when answering someone. When someone requested me to borrow something important, it's hard for me to say no because I don't want to hurt him or her. When someone asks a question about my personal life, then it is difficult for me to reply to that person. As I said earlier, some of my friends use short forms while sending the text, so in that case, I prefer to make calls rather than send text messages. Moreover, in the case of an emergency, I like to make calls because sometimes we did not read the message when we received it.